Now straight line parallel to a given straight line. Now what we are going to do in this concept, if a equation of a straight line is given to us, then what can be the another equation which is parallel to the same straight line. This is what we are going to discuss now. Given straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let this be equation 1 now. Slope of line 1, say m is equal to, it will be negative of a upon b. We are already knowing when we are given a general form, equation in the general form, then we are finding slope as negative of coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. I am just writing m is equal to negative of coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Okay. Now by the condition of parallelism, what we are having, straight line when is parallel to line 1 will have same slope. Okay, or you can make your own statement here. You can write it, slope of a straight line parallel to line 2 is equal to same minus b upon a. Therefore slope of another line parallel to line 1 is equal to negative of a upon b. Now upper line I have written upper line just to explain you. Okay. Now equation of straight line parallel to line 1 is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, or we are getting y is equal to negative of a upon b with x plus c. Now this becomes by is equal to negative of ax plus bc, or we can write it ax plus by minus bc is equal to 0. Let this be equation 2 now. Putting negative of bc is equal to k, we get, or in place of this just write it, equation 2 reduces to ax plus by plus k is equal to 0, required equation. So whenever we are having any equation and we have to find another equation parallel to it, that will be only constant will be different, remaining things will be the same. So we are having ax plus by plus k is equal to 0.